All right, everybody, it's Richard over at Fox Iron Heat. One of the things that we run into, we're kind of getting into the cooler weather. We got through the hot summer. This is a Lennox unit, and it's kind of right in the corner of this yard, so it's right against the fence, right in the house. It quit working, so we come out here and we're able to fix it. It had a failed run capacitor in it. It's pretty easy fix. We usually have those on the truck. But when you do repairs like this, you got to kind of think about what caused that. So some guys will just come out here, throw a capacitor, and they walk away. We looked at the coil, and it was really dirty, so it was basically plugged up on about 3 sides. So we busted out the hose and we started washing it all off, and I'll show you a picture of that here. And so there was a lot of stuff on there. So what it was doing, it was really running. This unit's only like 3 or 4 years old, so it's really not that old. And it's nice because it's got the hail guards, basically louvers on it, so the hail or stuff can't damage the coil. But underneath that, you really can't see how dirty it is, so you do have to wash it going up. And I went over it about 3 different times, so it takes a while to wash it. But you got to think about, you need to look at what the root cause is. So don't just have somebody come out here and throw a part in it and they walk away. So we're checking the whole system, making sure the filter's right, blowing out the drain lines. Making sure we see why did that capacitor fail. It shouldn't really have failed in 3 or 4 years. We get a lot of power surges, so it's not uncommon, but fix the root cause. So we were able to wash that off. So what it does is that'll run it, when that coil's dirty, it'll run real high pressures, and it runs a lot more stress on the compressor, and that capacitor has to work harder. So that's basically why it'll fail. So anyways, holler at us. Thanks for watching. Let us know if we can help you. We'll try to get here as soon as we can. This is on a weekend. Actually, it's a holiday weekend, and I had all the parts on the truck, get them up and running. Plus, we did preventative maintenance to keep them from having this issue down the line. Let us know. Thanks for watching.